Welcome to this video. In this video, we will go through 2009 May SAT exam, section 4, question 23. Now, in this question, we will go over the concept of linear equation. As you can see here, you are given the graph of the equation ax plus ky is equal to 6. It's a line in the xy plane where a and k are constants. And the line contains the points -2 and -2, -6, and 0, -3. What is the value of k? Now, for the better preparation of your answer selection, it's always good that you change the standard form of the linear equation into the slope-intercept form. So to do that, now I would tell my students to do it mentally. So I would challenge you to do it mentally, but I will show you how to do it step by step. And just make sure you train up yourself to do it mentally. Now, to do that, we'll do ky is equal to -ax plus 6. So that's how we will move the ax term to the other side, getting ready to solve for y. And to solve for y, we simply divide k on both sides. So you have -a over k times x plus 6 over k. Now, there are two directions you will go, and either way, it's fine. And this is how the SAT tests how smart you are. It's based on how sensitive you are. So let me tell you the smart way first. Now, if you look at the 2 points that are given, I hope that this point right here, the 0, -3, would ring a major bell in your mind because it is the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is -3. Okay, this is the y-intercept right here. So now if you say, well, I can't really see that, then what could be a better way to do this? Well, go ahead and do a little sketch for yourself. So we have a point right here and at -2. So you have another point right here at -6, and that's what the line is going to be like. Okay, so it doesn't have to be too accurate, but good enough to give yourself a sense of what the graph may look like. Now, why is this a smart idea? Because if you know the y-intercept, it's -3, and if you look at the linear equation, hey, that is the y-intercept. Well, that means -3 is equal to 6 over k. So all you need to do is to get k by itself. And if you do your math very well, then you would know that k is simply equal to 6 over -3, which is equal to -2, and the answer is right here. So that's a smart approach, okay? Now, the other approach, I'm not saying that it's not smart, but it's going to take you a little bit more time because you would have to find the slope. And that is going to be actually pretty challenging, to be very honest, because once you find the slope, all you can tell from the slope is that, hey, you are going to find out the slope, which is going to be some number, and that's equal to -a over k, but you still have 2 unknowns. So in order to solve for it, you would have to do substitution, and you have to do systems of equation. And this is how the SAT will see how good you are in terms of math. They want to know if you know how to make a decision and make the decision wisely. Okay, if you make a wise decision, you know what is being given, then you know that, hey, you want to pick the information that only involves k and k alone. And this is how we approach this problem. Just go ahead knowing that, hey, there is a y-intercept right in front of you, and don't go anywhere else. Just use that. Just use that to solve this problem. So just to recap, okay, making sure that if they give you the standard form of the linear equation, be very ready to think about this as the slope-intercept form. This is the information that you could have. It's not given to you directly, but just keep it in the back of your mind so that in case you need it, you will really want it. And because of that, it allows us to see the y-intercept with the given information, and we can just equate them together, finding the k very easily.
Do you want some extra credit? If you do, subscribe our channel. I promise you will learn a lot more and get extra credit from that. If you have any question, please make sure that you email us at goodacademics@gmail.com. If you have any question in math, science, or education, just send them in and we will do our very best to resolve your problems. And I thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that you will continue to learn a lot more through our channel. See you soon.